Okay, what I just want to show you real quick when dealing with linear equations, solving equations, is thus far all the equations that we've done have all been what we call conditional statements, and they've all fallen in this line, meaning how many solutions have we found? We've only found one solution. There's only one. I mean, we get x equals 2/3, x equals 1, x equals 0, x equals 9. We get one answer. And so as you'll see down here, I mean, I don't want to work all these all out, so I'm just taking the example straight from your textbook. Your final answer will be like x equals some number, and that's illustrated right here. Right, so you start with the problem, blah, 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 and you get x equals 0 right here. Okay, so x equals 0, so the solution is 0, and you're done. Okay, but though, you will find it at times where you have an identity case, which is there are actually infinite solutions. You say, infinite solutions? What does that mean, infinite? That means that every number that you can think of is a solution. You say, no way, dude. Come on, man. How can that be possible? Yeah. Any number that you think of, you plug it in for x, and you're gonna get a solution, meaning that the left side will equal the right side. And this is how you know that you have an infinite solution, is when you get a true statement, such as 0 equals 0, 3 equals 3, 10 equals 10, negative 2/3 equals negative 2/3, meaning the left side will equal the right side. You say, well, where's the variable? Where does it say x equals? Well, when you have the infinite case, the variables actually eliminate. So let's look at 6b then. So if you look at this example right here, 5x minus 15 equals 5 times the quantity x minus 3. If you solve it all the way down, you get 0 equals 0. And so that indicates that the solution is a set of all real numbers. For example, if you give me any number, go to give me a number. 10. Okay, so if x equals 10, watch this. If you plug in 10 right here, 5 times 10 minus 15 equals 5 times 10 minus 3. Okay, so all I do is I replace x with 10. If I do, right here I get 50 minus 15 is equal to 5 times 7. 50 minus 15 is 35. 5 times 7 is 35. Notice what the answer is, or notice that 10 is a solution because the left side equals the right side. So an infinite case is when the variable eliminates and you get a true statement. That's the key here. It must be true. 10 equals 10, 0 equals 0, 12 equals 12, 1 equals 1, 0.01 equals 0.01. Okay, so that's called the infinite case. Okay, or actually I guess you call it's the identity, but you have infinite solutions. And the last case is when you get a contradiction, and that's when there are no solutions. That means means the empty set, meaning there are no solutions. And that's when you get a false answer, like negative 15 equals negative 20. Well, that's not true. Negative 15 doesn't equal negative 20. Negative 15 only equals negative 15. Negative 20 only equals negative 20. So come down here and just look at that example. If you look at this right here, if you solve this all the way down, you get negative 15 equals negative 20. One, the variables canceled out, and then secondly, we got a false answer. See, so these two are very common in that, yeah, the variable cancels on both of these examples, but here it's true, which makes it an infinite case. Here it's false, which makes it a contradiction, or there are no solutions. So just so that you know that if you're being asked, hey, is this a conditional case, an identity, or a contradiction?